All right, guys, last eBay break of the night. It's going to be our Series 3 Gold Rush Autograph full-size helmet. This is from eBay on Saturday night. Let's see if we can pull a big name out of here. We got this box and one more left, and that's it. So Anthony with the Cardinals, Ravens, Bengals, Browns, Cowboys, Broncos, Texans, Colts, Rams, and the Jets. Danny's got the Eagles. Dustin with the Bucks. Gilbert's got the Raiders, Dolphins, Vikings, Giants, Steelers, Seahawks, Titans, and Commanders. John with the Saints. Rick's got the Falcons, Panthers, Bears, Packers, Jags, Chargers, and 49ers. Ron's got the Bills, Ryan with the Patriots, and Shane with the Lions. All right, so tape and seal top and bottom. All right, guys, good luck. Oh, it's going to be a Titan. Gilbert, this is you. It's going to be the White Eclipse, and it looks like a Ryan Tannehill. It is. Beckett authenticated. There is the sticker cert. All right, nice hit there. So Gilbert, congratulations, man. Get that helmet in the mail to you tomorrow. And we've got our very last box of this coming up next Monday. So those team auctions will end Saturday. We'll break it here next Monday, and that will be it for Series 3.